Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub, and in this video I'll be doing a camera comparison between Honor 8C and the Redmi 6 Pro. So guys, this is a sample footage recorded using the Honor 8C and the Redmi 6 Pro. On the left side I have the Honor 8C and on the right side I have the Redmi 6 Pro, and I'm currently recording this video at 1080p resolution, and the audio is also from the phone itself. So check out the noise cancellation and stabilization offered by the phone. Now I'm just gonna walk around. So guys, looking at the results from both the phones, which phone do you think did better? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub signing off. Have a nice day. By the way guys, even this channel belongs to Greedy Tech and I am the same Nikhil from Greedy Tech. So see ya.